just the range of motion that I was getting, the extension that I was getting. I was actually starting to run up and down stairs again. Knowing that I was almost able to do that with my right knee in such a short period of time gives me that much hope and excitement for what the future has now that I have these two new knees. My life before the procedures was very, very docile. I knew that that wasn't what I wanted, knowing that I have an 11-year-old and a 7-year-old at home that still need me to be very active. So I started doing a lot of research on different doctors at Orthopedic Associates because of the referral that I got. And I came across Dr. Holub. He's a great guy, got right down to business, told me, that the total knee was where we had to go, and ended up having the total knees replaced. Having it done in the surgery center was probably the best option for me. To watch what they actually did and to know how I felt afterwards and how quickly I bounced back was amazing to me. The staff here at OAW I have found to be very accommodating through everything. The doctors, the anesthesiologists, they made me feel so comfortable before going in. I believe that the staff here made my experience a little bit more enjoyable than knowing I was coming in to get my knees totally replaced. Being outside with my kids, running around, throwing a lacrosse ball across the field, it's those things that I'm really anticipating, being able to run around and go on vacations and enjoy them. Not have to say, all right, guys, we've been out for a couple hours now and Mommy's knees are really hurt and let's go home, or let's go back to the hotel. I'm really looking forward to being able to be out there and that kind of stuff. Hands down, the first people that I would refer someone to if they need something. Actually, my mom and dad live in Illinois, and I'm trying to get them to move up here. So I'm trying to get my mom, because she has to have her shoulder replaced. I'm like, come on, doctors up at Orthopedic Associates are absolutely phenomenal. All you got to do is move up here. So those that I meet, definitely recommend the Orthopedic Associates.